Dumelang bahaeso la moetswe ka diatla tse mofuthu kgasong ena ya ditaba tsa Sesotho ho SABC 2. Empa ha re qale ka dihlooho tsa tsona.
I'm so happy that the race was run peacefully.
Mopresidente wa Zimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa o rothabile haholo ka mora ho hlola dikgetho tsa naha eo. Royal AM e phumanetse dintlha tse tharo papading ya yona le TS Galaxy thapameng ena. Re wela kgabong ka tse re mopresidente wa Zimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa o rothabile haholo ka mora ho hlola dikgetho. Sena ke ka mora hore commission ya dikgetho ya Zimbabwe e mo phatlalatse e le mohlodi wa dikgetho maobane bosiu. Dikgetho tsa Zimbabwe di ne di na le bonkgetheng ba robong fela ba ka sehloohong e ne e le Emmerson Mnangagwa le Nelson Chamisa.
Can I assure you that I did not conduct the elections? I competed with them in this race to win the elections, and I'm happy that I have won the race. I think those who feel the race was not run properly should know where to go to complain. I'm so happy that the race was run peacefully, transparently, and fairly, broad daylight. And I'm happy that there was huge turnout by our people. I'm sure that very few people in this country will say that the elections were marred by any violence, because there was no violence at all. And I think this is what we should, as Zimbabweans, cherish.
Mr. Mnangagwa knows that he has performed a coup since 2008, a coup on the ballot, 2017, a coup on the elected leader, 2018, a coup on the ballot. He has repeated again, 2023, a coup on the ballot. You can't survive this for far too many times. This time, no further. We've drawn a line in the sand. We will not allow you to abuse people. You are not the last Zimbabwean.
Moetapele wa EFF Julius Malema o re le ha o bile le le ha o ne o sena merusu dikgethong tsa Zimbabwe fela tsamaiso ya dikgetho e bile le leeme le ho hloka ponaletso. Malema o buile sena kopanong ya komiti ya phethahatso ya EFF e bileng Kempton Park ka Botjhabela ho Johannesburg.
The EFF notes the elections results of Zimbabwe which were won by the ZANU-PF. The EFF is of the firm belief that the elections were not free and fair, but welcomes the fact that there was an absence of violence as an improvement, as elections in Zimbabwe are ordinarily characterized by violence.
Letona la thuto Gauteng Matome Tshilwane le entse boipiletso ho batswadi ba barutwana ba grade 1 ho ya ho grade 8 hore ha ba fumana di SMS tsa dikolo tseo barutwana ba kentsweng ho tsona ba ananele ka ha lefapha le entse qeto ka hloko.
From the 4th of September, we'll be releasing SMSs to parents to offer them places. And please, they will have 7 days to accept the space. So parents must avoid the delay game, because I know sometimes they get these SMSs and then they delay to accept. Maybe perhaps they might not be comfortable with a certain school or etc. So please, as you get an offer, take it, because that offer is being considered properly.
Modulasetulo wa komiti ya Palamente ya Diminerale le Energy Sahlulele Luzipho o teketse baqolotsi ba ditaba puo ka sephetho sa leeto la komiti provinseng ya North West le ya Gauteng ka maemo a ho rafa ntle le molao.
The committee believes that the DMRE intermediate should consider illegal mining as a project and therefore identify a dedicated person whose role will be specifically to respond on all issues that relates to illegal mining challenges. Two, that its inspectors must work closely with their regional offices and they should consider rotating them. One of the reasons we say that is that at times when people are so used to each other, it becomes very difficult to identify whether they are affected or they might be part of the problem that you seek to resolve. We also stated that they should have an inspection plan and keep the data on both legal and illegal mining, including where there is double granting of licenses.
Moirebuela go amohela moruhi wa dinotshi le moetsi wa mae a dinotshi e le Metsana Kojane wa Mahikeng Northwest o atolositse kgwebo ya hae ka o kena mmarakeng wa dino tsa tai.
Majalwa a farologaneng a dirilweng ka mekgwa ya bogologolo e akaretsang go dira khadi eno ya mamepe. Tseno ke dingwe tsa dino tse di dirwang ke Metsana Kojane. O ne a tla ka kakanyo ya go simolola go dira dino tseno.
Ka lockdown ha re tswaletswe ka leroborobo le bogale la COVID. Re ne ra iphitlhela le gore yanong re mo gae re jwa ke bodutu. Ga gona se re iketlang ka sone.
Kojane a re ke ka yone nako eo fa ne a simolola ka kgwebo ya gagwe.
Ka tswela yalo ke ka mo gompeno re leng hano re tshwere hani ya rona ka mehuta ile meraro ibile ha re rekise monohela re rekisa le ko mahatsheng a sele.
Khadi eno ya mamepe e ratwa thata ke baagi.
We need to see such brands actually being pushed in local markets, in local events.
Before food, we can have gin. Have food, after food, we can have dessert, which is lovely.
Sentle English, SABC News, Mahikeng.
Moihlokomela hore tlaleo e latelang e kana ya ama maikutlo. Mollo wa hlaha o thefutseng dikarolo tse ngata tsa Free State ka Labohlano o tingwe. Ke kgetlo la bobedi mollo wa hlaha o thefula Brandfort ho tloa kgwedi e fetileng.
Ho hlaloswa ha mello ena ya hlaha ibile e mebe ka ho fetisisa dilemong tse 10 tse fetileng. Makgolo a senyeile, diphoofolo di shwele, mme dihwai di lahletswe haholo.
The help we need now is fodder, animal fodder, in form of round bales or big packs. That's what we call it, and infrastructure like fencing and like I said, in drinking water for the animals.
Nakong eo sehlopha sa tshebeletso ya tlhokomelo ya diphoofolo se neng se tshwarahane le mosebetsi o moholo ho ile hwa tswa mollo o mong hape polasing ya Brandfort empa maemo a ile a kokobela ka potlako.
We had 6 fires that started in the Free State overall and burned in a 24-hour period. On Saturday morning, after the cold front has come past, everything calmed down a little bit, and we were able to assess damage. The largest damage happened in the what we call the Brandfort Soutpan complex.
Ha jwale ha ho so tsejwe hore dihwai di senyetswe ho le hokae.
Baaiba Kgamolopo Zebediela provinseng ya Limpopo ba qosa morena wa lehae ka ho rekisa karolo ya mobu wa setjhaba o ka 2009 ho ile nga hlaloswa hore o tla sebedisetswa merero e fapaneng.
Lefelo le la mashosho motseng wa Gamolapo ka Zebediela le shwahletswe le be le beakantse gore go agwe sekolo sa Tlasana, sekolo sa Digotlane le lebala la kgwele ya maoto. E fela ga bjale ba bangwe ba badudi ba hlomile meshashana le magora morago ga go reka ditsha go ntona le ge bontši bo hlomile mekhukhu ba babedi ba shetse ba agile dintlo lebaleng lena. Badudi ba re bao ba shwahletse go lebala le ba sonetse go hudushwa ka ge le gore ga go sana lefelo la gausi fao dikolo tšeo di ka agwa go gona. Ba re bana ba bannyane ba gapeletše ga go sepela menabo ya metelele go ya dikolong metseng ya baagišane.
A re ile ga re mmontšha gore bana ba rena ga go na le mabaka yang sekolong a re yena ke yena kgošokgolo a gona le o mongwe a ka mmotšang selo le moletlana re ka no ya ba kwa ka yena.
Re ntse re ema re gopela gore batho ba seke ba tsena bile ba re tshepiša gore thuntša batho ba ka gore rena bao ba mošate ba re fileng pleke ba re boditše gore le tlhokomele batho ba seka ba tsoga ba tsene mo plekeng.
Badudi ba mmalwa ka Limpopo ba dutše ba itemogela mathata le go lla ka baetapele ba setšo bao ba rekišago mabala ao a nepile go hlabolola ditšhaba.
Go hlokega gore go be le tshepano gare ga ditšhaba le magoši mo e leng gore ditlholego tša setlhaba di hlomphiwa go feta dilo tše ka mokana ga tšona tše e leng gore magoši a ka ba duma gore di ka di ja phetagala.
Mošate o laetše Aphane go emiša ka go rekiša lebala le o laetse gape le bao ba rekilego ditsha lebaleng le go rwala diporogane tša bona le go tloga ka lebaleng leo. Na ke Koketšo Motau wa ditaba tša SABC Zebediela.
Bolepi bo a latela. Salang hantle.